Sweden's deflation deepened in December, but by less than actually expected. I'm joined today by Olle Holmgren. Now, Olle, do you think this eases some of the pressure on the central bank, which means we won't see any dramatic action for some time?
I think this takes a small amount of pressure from the Riksbank. We were also surprised by the inflation outcome today. Looking at the details, however, it seems like it's travel prices that surprised on the upside, and they tend to be very volatile between months, and most likely this will be reversed to a large extent in January. Also, with the oil price now coming down well below $50, there is other reasons why inflation forecasts will be revised downwards, and we expect inflation to surprise on the downside again compared to the Riksbank forecasts in the beginning of this year.
In December, we saw Sweden been put under immense political pressure, but a deal was reached and a snap election was avoided. So tell us your outlook for the political situation for this year.
I think this reduces the probability for a snap election this year quite a lot. Still, this agreement is being questioned both from many analysts and also from many voters, especially in the center-right coalition. So I think there is a fairly large chance that there will be new political turmoil, if not this year, so at least later during this mandate period. However, the markets are not that concerned over the risk to Swedish economy, and most likely I think that some kind of compromise between the two large blocs will be reached, even if this current agreement fails to work throughout this mandate period.
The Swedish krona rallied after the inflation data. So talk us through these trends we are witnessing and tell us your outlook for this year.
Well, the krona reacted fairly strong to the high inflation today. And I think one reason for this is that we have seen a weakening trend during the last, quite a strong weakening trend over the last couple of months from the krona, and this is a correction. If we look at the outlook for this year, we expect the Riksbank to introduce some extraordinary measures in February, and we think that this will lead to that the krona weakens again. We have a forecast for end of Q1 at 960. Looking a bit further ahead, however, we think there is fundamental reasons to expect the krona to come a bit stronger in the little longer term, and in the second half of this year, when the outlook for monetary policy is becoming more in line with market expectations, we think that the krona will strengthen, and we expect 920 at the end of this year.
Olle, thank you very much for your time today, and thank you very much for watching Dukascopy TV. Well, viewers, do stay tuned as we have plenty more heading your way. See you very soon.